At PREF, we take pride in our ability to innovate. We create new technologies, improve manufacturing processes, and introduce never-before-seen products to the marketplace. Our team is able to improve overall performance while remaining lean and efficient. These are the reasons why we are leaders in. Although it is important for us to continue pushing the industry as a whole forward, our customers remain our #1 priority. To ensure our customers are completely satisfied, we offer only the highest quality products and a dedicated support staff. Our world-class R&D team ensures that we use the most innovative design and manufacturing techniques for our products. We also offer professional field installation, commissioning, and training to confirm that each client is delivered high-quality metalworking machinery and is able to use it properly. Our customers deserve the best, which is why PREF's support staff is dedicated to making sure you are always satisfied, whether you're an associate that works with us or an end user of our products. And with a high technician-to-machine ratio, our customers can be sure to receive a quick response.